Hello, welcome, volunteer estimation of Azib. I hope that you are well. Let's continue with another function interface with two input arguments, and this is BiConsumer. Remember, consumer, it contains only input argument and it just consume, remember. Okay, so it returns anything and it contains the method, abstract method, it is accept. Okay, so BiConsumer. How it is prototype of BiConsumer. We have interface BiConsumer with two input arguments. So we have T and U. Okay? And the abstract method is the same thing. Is accept. You want two menus. So accept with two input arguments T and U. And return anything. Remember, I just want to consume. Okay? And of course, there is a default method and same thing as consumer. So let's make an example. What we can do as an example? For example, we can create, or we need to give two strings, and we just display the concatenation between these two strings. So it's so simple. Okay. For example, I give him Faisal with the last name, first name, Faisal Azib, and he gives me Faisal Azib. Okay? So let's write this. After we go to the computer to practice directly. Okay? So I will create BiConsumer with two input arguments, string and string. Okay? BC equal. I'll give him first name and last name between parentheses, simple arrow, system out.println, last name or first name plus last name. Okay? And to call this BiConsumer, system out.println, BC dot accept Faisal Azib. Okay, so simple like this. I will got Faisal Azib in the console. Let's go directly to computer to practice a simple example, and we continue inshallah. Let's go. So I will create my BiConsumer. I will give him two string. I will make an import after this, two string. Okay, and BC equal here. So make an import before this. Import java.util.function. Okay. Our consumer directly can do this BiConsumer. After this here we have last name and first name, simple arrow, just system out.println, last name, plus first name, that I just make last name here, last name, and here I just make some format like this. Okay, and here I will call this BiConsumer, so system out.println BiConsumer.accept Faisal Azib. Okay. Whoops. What I have make What is the problem? Yeah, I have system.println. Sorry, that does anything, remember. So let's execute this program. Faisal Azib. Good. Do you see? It's very, very simple. So I have finished to explain this new functional interface, B predicate, B functional, BiConsumer. In next video, I will make summary to show you the difference between the functional interface with one input argument and this functional interface with two input arguments. It is just summary to summarize what we have saw before. So see you inshallah in next video. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe if you can support me. If you like this course, I can make another ones, inshallah. And see you for next video. Practice. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.